Seville's wildly popular April fair, Feria de Abril, is one of the most vibrant and memorable festivals in all of Spain. Over 1 million people attend this week-long celebration of Andalusian culture. Similar fairs are held throughout Spain as a way to usher in the spring season, but Seville's is the grandest of them all. The origins of Seville's April Fair can be traced all the way back to a cattle expo in 1847, where ranchers, stock breeders, and farmers met to compete and sell their products. That sounds like something that would happen here in Texas. Just 3 years later, in 1850, the event had grown to approximately 60,000 attendees. Due to the fair's immense popularity, the buying and selling of livestock was phased out to allow fairgoers to completely focus on eating, drinking, dancing, and having a great time. The April Fair begins 2 weeks after the processions of Holy Week, Semana Santa, with a traditional lighting ceremony, Alumbrao, where 22,000 bulbs illuminate Seville's fairgrounds. The main entrance, Portada, is one of the biggest attractions of the April Fair. Covered with dazzling colored lights, it is redesigned each year and takes several months to construct. The grounds of the fair include over 1,000 brightly covered canvas tents, casetas, that are set up in rows to create 12 streets. The majority of tents welcome guests by invitation only, but a small number are public and admit tourists. Most of them belong to affluent locals, businesses, and clubs, and are equipped with a kitchen and bar for enjoying delicious fair cuisine. Visitors often parade through the fair on horseback or in beautifully appointed horse-drawn carriages. A few men and many women wear traditional fair costumes. Some men, especially those on horseback or driving carriages, wear a short suit, traje corto, which consists of a short jacket, tight trousers, boots, and a wide-brimmed hat. Women typically dress in flamenco attire, trajes de flamenca, that is characterized by polka dots, lunares, ruffles, volantes, and bright, vibrant colors. Each year, the style is updated with new patterns, colors, and dramatically different cuts to the traditional flamenco dress. Women accessorize their costumes with bold, colorful earrings and big flowers in their hair. Other accessories include colorful bracelets, over-the-shoulder shawls, mantillas, and decorative hair combs, pinetas. Let's celebrate the fashion of the April Fair by making a paper flower hair clip at home. Begin by cutting a 30-inch piece of the crepe paper streamer. Fold ends together until a 2-inch piece remains. Cut a petal shape along one edge. Unfold so that only 2 layers remain. Sew a loose running stitch close to the straight edge of the streamer. Knot the 2 ends of the thread together. Fluff the crepe open. Cut a 12-inch piece of the crepe paper streamer and repeat. Hot glue the 2 crepe flowers together. Hot glue to barrette. You can also make a bouquet of these beauties to decorate your home. I hope that you had fun learning about Seville's April Fair and making a paper flower hair clip with me.